Gusto kayo maayo nga ihatag na to sa mga kabataan no?
Bitaw no, kung sa kung kuhaan ka ng mga libro na lang.
Pwede.
Pwede sad, kaya wala mo sa nangagamit.
Para
Pwede
po,
lang.
para po makabalo sila basa-basa ba? Basa-basa sila libro.
Yes.
Hintay na kami sa ila ha?
Pwede, pwede.
Buntag pod.
Karang, pwede ba may makapanghatag og book sa mga bata diri sa inyong barangay?
Oh sure, pwede na kaayo.
Salamat ka.
Salamat ka.
Mga bata, halin sa mo diri kani mga illustrated students kung isa sa PCF nga hatag og libro. Salamat kay sa inyong pagpanghatag niyo so na-disappoint lang gid ko gamay. I hope next time nga kanang mag-consult mo daan sa ako para mas ma-inform ka mo kung unsay mas need sa mga bata bitaw diri sa kuan para ang mga parents sa bata o para makabalo pud mo kung saan need yun sa among barangay.
PCF student talk with someone from the community. They ask questions and watch closely to find out what the community needed. They learned that the most important things missing were healthcare checkups and enough food. Seeing that many kids in the community were very hungry, all the PCF students decided to start a feeding program to give them food right away. This experience let them help with the kids' immediately problems and showed them how important it is to meet these basic needs for the kids to have better lives. After doing the program and spending more time with the community, the students understood more clearly. They realized that what the kids needed most were really enough good food and proper health checkups to keep them healthy and well.